How can I get free Google traffic? Are you tired of trading time for money? Do you want to learn a free method to rank on Google and make affiliate commissions? Watch to the end of the video and I'll reveal the number one reason why people fail online, the number one reason why people don't make money online. Alright, in this method, we're going to use free traffic from Google. We're going to build a simple website. We're going to show you how to do that. And we're going to drive traffic. It's going to be free traffic. You're going to not have to spend any money on ads. It's all going to be free. You're going to get a crazy amount of traffic. It's all going to be, other people are going to be sending you traffic. Okay, this is what it's all about. We're going to leverage other people's email lists to drive traffic to our websites. Interested? Wouldn't it be great if you knew a product was coming out months before it came out, so you could build a website and rank for keywords, so that when it came out, you were the guy, you were the number one website for those keywords because you spent a month trying to rank for keywords that nobody else was trying to rank for, and now everybody is searching for those keywords, and you're the guy that ranks for them. Well, that's called launch jacking. You find a product, you build a website, you rank for keywords, you wait for the launch and the traffic comes in. Now, what happens when someone launches a product? Well, all the affiliates send their email lists blasts. They send emails out to promote it, to get the ball rolling so they can make some commissions. So what do the normal people do when they get an email for about a new product? Okay, what do you do when you get an interesting product that you want to know something about? What do? You go to Google, you search it on Google. You're not going to go and buy from the guy who just sent you an email. No, that's the first exposure. Nobody buys on the first exposure. You're going to go to Google and you're going to search that product. And who's going to come up? Your website's going to come up because a month ago you started ranking for those keywords. It's called launch jacking. Now, where do you find these products? Let's go and check it out. Okay, this is a website called Muncheye.com, as you see it up here in the bar, Muncheye.com. Now, Muncheye.com is going to give you launches. Okay, it's from JVZoo, from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus, all of those affiliate networks that you know and everybody tries to use. Okay, well these are the guys here. Now here's one from Warrior Plus, or one from JVZoo. Okay, the big launches are on the left, and all the launches are on the right. Now they're going to tell you what day they're coming out. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go down a month in advance. Okay, and you're going to go down and you're going to look for something that's about a month away. And let's see if I can find something over here. And Fender, super good product. Okay, this is a Big Audio Club. Who cares what product it is? I'm not doing. But the point is, they have a JV page. The JV page is going to have all kinds of stuff for you. They're going to have images. They're going to have email swipes. They're going to have copywriting, so you can make ads and you can make posts and you can do social media posts and you can do all kinds of stuff like that. And you can put pictures and images on the website you're going to build, and you can use their copy. Sometimes they have copy for websites. Sometimes they have newsletters and videos and all kinds of stuff depending on the product. The JV page could have a lot of valuable information on it for an affiliate. Okay, so and you can build your website. And again, I'm going to show you how to build a website. Stick with me. So you pick a product. Here's one, Affiliate Systems. Okay, let's go to the JV page, take a look. JV stands for joint venture. You're going into a joint venture with these people. Okay, so they have the affiliate link, they have the sales page, they have the product, they have email swipes up here on the right. Okay, they have a video here for you to download and use on your website. They're launching. It tells you when the launch is. Okay, and it's giving you all this other information for the launch. Okay, again, depending on the product, the JV page could be very, very helpful, or it could just have a couple of things on it. You got to look at the products. Okay, so now you found the product. Now you found a product that's not going to launch. Let's see, it's going to launch November 25th. 2020. Okay, so it's the beginning of November now, so you figure it's going to be about a month until this launches, so you have time to rank a web page. So you're going to build a simple web page. First of all, I have an affiliate marketing course that you can take. It's 5 videos. It takes about an hour to get through. It's going to show you how to be an affiliate marketer. If you need software to build a web page, to do emails, to do all of that kind of stuff, I got a link down in the description for a $1 trial for 30 days to get all the tools you need for affiliate marketing. Click the link and check it out, okay? In the meantime, okay, now you're picking a product a month in advance for the launch so you can rank for keywords. Now, some of the keywords you're going to want to rank for are review. Okay, you're going to want to do a comparison, this versus that. Okay, depending on what the product is, you're going to do a comparison from, let's say, Pepsi and Coke. Okay, so you do Pepsi versus Coke, right? And on your keyword. Okay, scam. Okay, the product scam is a keyword. When people are looking for a scam, when people are looking up a product, they're going to look up a review. They're going to look up product and scam. They're going to look up product and tutorial. They're going to look up a product versus, like I said, Coke versus Pepsi. Okay, so those are keywords that you're going to want to rank for. Some JV pages will give you other keywords that you could rank for, and so you start ranking for those keywords. Now you're going to write your copy for your website that you're going to build. Now you're saying, Jim, I don't know how to build a website. I'm going to show you how to build websites with Builderall. It's very simple, very easy. Builderall is the most complete digital marketing platform out there. It has everything that you need to make money online. If you want to be an affiliate marketer, you need software. You might as well get the best, get Builderall. Complete everything in one. You don't have to get email marketing over here, web pages over here, sales funnels over there, chat bots over here, instant messaging over there. Everything is under one platform, okay, for one low price. Check it out. You're going to love it. Anyway, the offer goes live, okay? Now, the affiliate marketers, what's going to happen is they're going to send their email blasts. Now, some of them have thousands, some of them have millions of email lists, okay? Emails on these lists. So they're going to send out blasts of emails to all of these people to the product is live. Okay, whatever it is, the product is live. Here it is. Here's the product. It's a great product. Here it is. Check it out. So the affiliate marketers are going to start with their email campaigns. The people are going to open the emails, read it, get excited about the product, and what are they going to do? They're not going to buy it. They're going to go to Google and they're going to search it. Now, you've spent a month trying to rank for those keywords. So when they search product review, product scam, product versus this, okay, they're going to come up onto your blog post, your website, or even a video if you're doing YouTube. I'm going to do another video on using YouTube for this method as well. So anyway, so either your website, your video, or your blog post, you've ranked because of those keywords. Now they've found your website. So now they're going to click your website. Now, if you're a smart marketer, you put an email capture so that you can collect their email, because now you want them in your funnel. You're going to get them in your sales funnel. Again, take the $1 trial for Builderall. We're going to teach you how to make sales funnels. So you're going to need a web page. You're going to need sales funnels. You're going to need email marketing. But that's all down the pipe. Right now, you're trying to do launch jacking to get free traffic from Google. In the meantime, you're going to collect their emails, so you're going to have these customers for life. Okay, so now you've spent no money to get these customers. Okay. They're going to be on your email list for life, and now you can market to them in your niche for as long as they stay on your list, as long as you don't abuse it. Okay, now that's launch jacking. Is this something you think you can do? I told you I was going to tell you the number one reason why people don't make money online, and the number one reason why you're not going to make money online, why nobody makes money online is, well, really only 1% of people make money online, is lack of action, okay? People spend time learning this stuff, they watch the videos, and they don't do anything. They don't put it into action, okay? They don't take action, and they don't take the next step, okay? Take the next step. Don't be one of those guys, okay? Take the next step. The next video that's popping up is going to show you how to build a website, how to build a simple website so you can do this method. I didn't want to make the video that much longer to do the website now, but take the dollar trial down in the description. The Builderall is going to give you all the tutorials and all the training you need to build a website, sales funnels, email lists, email capturing software. It's all there. Subscribe to my channel.